Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the SRT matches your video's timeline and is saved on the device. Open Capcut and create a new project. Import the video first so Capcut establishes frame timing. Then import the SRT file into the same project. Do not rename while importing. Once done, place the video on the timeline and keep the project saved. This immediate sequence prevents syncing errors and makes the subtitle file available in the next step. Now import the SRT via text subtitles. Import SRT. Capcut will generate subtitle layers automatically. You should inspect each subtitle block on the timeline and nudge clips to fix drift. Use zoom in for frame-level accuracy. Adjust style controls, font, size, color, background, and placement so text stays readable over your footage. Make sure to preview with audio on. If lines overlap, split, or shorten entries in the SRT or within Capcut. To finish, choose whether to burn subtitles into the video or export them as a selectable track depending on platform needs. Export using recommended settings and review the full file for sync and legibility on different devices. If subtitles are misaligned or missing, make sure the SRT uses UTF-8, correct timestamps, and that no extra headers exist. If needed, re-export the SRT from your captioning tool and re-import. One key tip: resave as UTF-8 and re-import to resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.